Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're on a used pump, and I want to just show you some areas on the pump that you should be looking for any chafing wires or anything like that, and I'll show you how to protect them to prolong the life of your pump. So as you can see down here, we're on the driver's side of our pump. You can see this big bundle of wires everywhere here that is touching the metal frame. Now, over time, with the vibration that these machines make, those wires can slowly rub through and could cause a short circuit or anything like that, and could actually down your machine. So what I'll be showing you today is how to add something we call a hot dog bun protector on these wires, and it would just protect your wires against any chafing or anything like that. So these are what we call the hot dog bun protectors. You can order these through us, and we have this size here and this size here. So what essentially this will do is you can have your bundle of wires through here, and we'll put zip ties over it to hold it. And this is a really good way of protecting wires against anything metal or sharp that may cause them to damage. So as you can see, just for demonstration purposes, I've went ahead and installed one of those plastic hot dog bun protectors just on those two larger wires right there. So that's kind of what you want it to look like, and there's little troughs for the zip ties to run through, and that is a very, very good way of protecting your wires, and you won't have any issues going forward.